How to verify Tonkeeper Wallet. So in order to do it, you need to first launch your Tonkeeper mobile application. Now, first thing, why do you want to verify your Tonkeeper Wallet? Now, in any of the wallets that you are using, including Tonkeeper Wallet, you don't need to actually verify it. However, you need to back it up so that you could make the deposits and the receiving happen in your Tonkeeper Wallet. So if you haven't backed up your Tonkeeper Wallet's recovery phrase already, then you need to tap on this gear icon in the top right hand corner of the screen and tap on the backup option. Afterwards, tap on the backup manually option and it will show you some of the instructions that you need to keep in mind. So you just have to read them thoroughly and press continue in the bottom. After that, you need to provide that particular passcode which you have created at the time of the creation of your Tonkeeper wallet. After providing your passcode, you just have to simply tap on the recovery phrase that would be in front of you. So after copying that, you just have to keep it somewhere safe and follow some further instructions in order to verify your recovery phrase. So this will be the verification, and if you do this verification, then you will be able to easily send and receive your cryptos with the help of Tonkeeper wallet. So if you find this video helpful, then don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel. I will see you in the next one.